Hello, Kevin Higgs from Arbortech here. I'm going to make a small coffee table by blocking some wood together. This is 4x4 pine. I've just blocked it together into a large cube like so, and I'm simply going to sculpt it using the turbo plane. What I'm doing here is to mark out the rough shape of the top of the table, which is a rounded but slightly squarish shape. So I'm just rounding off these corners here, and the base will be perfectly circular. So on the bottom of the block, I'm going to just show you the underside here. I'm going to actually form a circle exactly to the radius of these four corners here. So I'm going to sculpt the outside down to this circle here, and the top of the table will be a rounded squarish shape with a flat top. I'm doing it all by eye because the beauty of pieces like this is to not make them perfect, so that it's quite obvious that this has been hand sculpted. Now that I've shaped the outside of the block to the shape of the tabletop, I'm now going to taper it down to the circular formation at the bottom. So I'm just going to taper it all the way down to follow this circle. So here you see the basic shape of the table. I've still yet to round the edge there, but that's basically the shape. You can see the underside is still open. I'm going to sand that, put a finish on it, and that'll be the complete table. So this is the finished product. You can see it's rounded on the top there, and it's all sanded. I need to put a finish on it, and I think for this, because it's going to go into a beach style house, it's going to be lime washed, which will give it a good sort of driftwood sort of look.